You want to set them all over here? We can get them all on video.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey, Ron, don't go to the bathroom. Okay. Maybe I'll help you in a second.
Blizzard. Blizzard. Oh.
Just need to make sure they don't go past
Okay,
that.
Mom.
Oh, look at the tail.
Oh, look at it. It's like a nebby.
Come here.
It does kind of curl up there, doesn't it?
Come here,
I
babies.
think if we just put it up, is this a little boy?
Yes.
He may have just pickled under the...
Under the tree.
Yeah. No,
Oh, under the bench.
They like, don't know how to play, so they just jump on top of each other. It's kind of a I'm in charge kind of thing. Oh, this one's gonna poop. There you go. Find a place.
Maybe we should pick
Not
them
doing it in
up.
my car.
I bet they're sick of cleaning up their poop.
Probably. Hello. Hello, you. Whoa.
Okay, no good.